Have you ever wondered how we make sense of a chaotic world filled with data? From tracking your favorite sports team's performance to predicting weather or even deciding on a business strategy, statistics is the secret sauce behind it all. Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover what statistics is, why it's important, and explore its two main types: descriptive and inferential statistics. Let's dive in. Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. It helps us uncover patterns, draw conclusions, and make informed decisions. In short, statistics is like a flashlight guiding us through the dark maze of uncertainty. But how does it work in real life? Well, imagine you're planning a trip. You check the average temperature of a destination or the likelihood of rain. That's statistics at work, helping you decide if you need sunscreen or an umbrella. Statistics plays a crucial role in almost every field you can think of. Doctors use it to analyze treatment effectiveness, businesses rely on it to understand consumer behavior, and governments depend on it to shape policies. Even your favorite social media app uses statistics to recommend videos or posts you'll love. Why is statistics so important? Let's break it down. Decision making. It provides a foundation for making evidence-based decisions. Understanding trends. It helps us identify patterns over time, like a business tracking sales growth. Problem solving. By analyzing data, we can solve real-world problems, whether it's controlling a pandemic or managing resources efficiently. Think of statistics as the lens through which we view and make sense of the data-driven world. Now, let's talk about the two main branches of statistics: descriptive and inferential. First, descriptive statistics. This type focuses on summarizing and organizing data. For example, if you survey a class and find the average test score is 85, that's descriptive statistics. Charts, graphs, averages, they all belong here. It's like taking a snapshot of your data and presenting it in a way that's easy to understand. Now, inferential statistics takes things a step further. It's about making predictions or generalizations about a larger population based on a sample. For instance, if we surveyed 100 people in a city to predict the preferences of 10,000 residents, that's inferential statistics at work. It's like using a tiny key to unlock a massive door of possibilities. So, what's the difference between the two? Descriptive statistics describes the data you already have, while inferential statistics helps you make predictions about data you don't have yet. Together, they form the backbone of data analysis. In summary, statistics is everywhere, guiding decisions, revealing insights, and helping us understand the world. Whether you're looking at simple charts or complex predictive models, statistics is the tool that makes sense of the numbers. Thanks for joining me on this journey into statistics. If you've learned something new or have any questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fascinating insights. See you in the next video.